fellas rap real hip-hop music. This time you won't refuse it. In the clubs wild out and lose it. Uncle Ben about to bring you the new shit right now. Y'all know me, still the same OG, but I've been low-key. Hated on by most these niggas with no cheese. No deals and no G's, no wheels and no keys.
Det är 1,5 plusgrader. Fantastiskt skådespel det här var.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangsta ass nigga plays his cards right. A real gangsta ass nigga never runs his fucking mouth. Real gangsta ass niggas don't start fights.
No, nah, that motherfucker got the big ass dick gun on.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
That's why I fucked your bitch, you fat motherfucker. West side, bad boy killers. You know who the realest is, niggas. We bring it to you.
Motherfucker, I can pay to get rid of you. I got more ends in the hood than pagan rituals. A new tyrannical force for you to fear. Known to kill and keep human ears and souvenirs. A shapeshifter, face splitter, paper getter, taping system, waiting system, making system. Take it in the face it if you're facing us. Block off a 30 block radius. I throw more blows than boxing doc.
That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
Had that nigga in the cut with a wood at. All the niggas acting up where the walls at. You better bust that if you don't pull that. Where the hood, where the hood, where the hood at. Had that nigga in the cut where the wood at. All the niggas.
Clean it up pretty quickly. Oh, look at this, a replay at the top of the mountain. Jonathan Barkov. Oh, that is so scary.
And we ain't asking for shit, nigga. We taking it. So Dre, blast they ass, nigga.
Rat-tat-tat-tat, late at night with my jet on the streets of LA.
Hey Dale. Hey Dale. Yep.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Confronted us with the gorillas, and we got charged and charged and charged again.
Y'all know the name. Pharaoh fucking mama can't a damn thing change. You all up in your range of shit, inebriated. Straight from your original plan, you deviated out of deviated the pain with a long-term goal. Slip my underground loop without the gold. You so fat around the world, I so wood in the hood.
Oh.
What the fuck's up, Dre? Tell me, it's off the rim. I'm right here, nigga. Release the hand.
What?
I'm a nigga with an attitude, thanks to y'all. And I don't give a fuck, I keep it gangster, y'all.